Forget bland food, senior-friendly recipes that pack flavor. If you think healthy eating after 60 means bland, tasteless food, think again. The secret to flavor-packed meals that nourish your body is simpler than you might believe. You've probably noticed it. Your favorite dishes no longer hit the same way. You've been told to cut back on salt, sugar and fat, but no one shows you how to make food flavorful again. The joy of eating? It's slipping away. Too often, people try to make healthy food taste good by removing what they think is harmful, without adding what makes food truly satisfying. That's where things go wrong. Today we're changing that. From bold spices to umami-rich ingredients, I'll show you how to transform every meal into something you can't wait to eat, guilt-free and full of flavor. Because aging well isn't just about what's on your plate, it's about enjoying every bite. Doctors say, eat healthy, but they don't always eat what they recommend. It's frustrating, right? You're told to cut back on the things you love, but no one gives you the tools to actually enjoy the food you're supposed to eat. The truth is, it doesn't have to be tasteless meals or unhealthy indulgence. There's a middle ground, and I'm here to show you how. Imagine meals that satisfy, energize, and excite you again. It's not just possible, it's easier than you think. Let's bring the joy back to your plate. Cutting back on salt doesn't mean giving up taste. It means using it smarter. Many of us have been conditioned to think that if a dish doesn't have enough salt, it's just not worth eating. But here's the truth. It's not about eliminating flavor. It's about introducing new layers of flavor that don't rely on salt alone. As we age, our taste buds change. We might crave more salt. And it's easy to assume that the only way to bring flavor to our meals is by reaching for that salt shaker. But doing so can actually dull your taste buds, making it harder to enjoy the natural, fresh flavors in your food. This is especially true as our sense of taste can diminish with age. When we rely solely on salt, we miss out on the opportunity to unlock a whole world of flavors that are far more vibrant and satisfying. You see, your taste buds are incredibly adaptable. As we age, they become less sensitive to the sharpness of salt, which can leave food tasting flat. If you find yourself using more salt to achieve the same level of flavor, you're not really enhancing your meal, you're masking the deeper, more complex tastes that come from the food itself. Relying solely on salt not only limits your flavor experience, but also impacts your health. Too much salt can lead to high blood pressure, kidney problems and other health issues that no one wants to deal with, especially as we age. But don't worry, there's a much better way to bring your meals to life. The key to better, healthier meals isn't just cutting out salt, it's replacing it with bold, natural flavor enhancers. There are so many ingredients out there that can wake up your taste buds and add complexity to your dishes without the need for salt. Try using fresh citrus zest, the peel of lemons, limes or oranges grated right onto your meal. The bright, tangy notes of citrus will add an instant burst of flavor that will make your dishes pop. Or experiment with herbs like basil, thyme or rosemary. Fresh herbs bring an aromatic quality that salt just can't match, creating a much more layered, intriguing flavor profile. For a rich, smoky flavor without the salt, try smoked paprika. It adds a deep, earthy taste that's perfect for everything from soups to meats to vegetables. Another secret weapon in your kitchen should be roasted garlic. Roasting garlic brings out its natural sweetness and complexity, adding a rich, mellow flavor to any dish. And here's the best part. These ingredients aren't just better for your health, they actually enhance the overall flavor experience, leaving you feeling more satisfied. Think of it like music. Salt is just one note, one instrument in the orchestra of flavor. It's like the bass line in a song, important, but it's not the whole song. If you only played that one note, you'd miss the harmony, the melody, the richness of the entire composition. Real flavor is a symphony, a collection of different ingredients and spices that work together to create something memorable. By embracing citrus, herbs, smoked paprika and roasted garlic, you're not just adding flavor, you're creating a masterpiece in your kitchen. By using these natural enhancers, you'll notice a difference not just in the flavor, but in how you feel after eating. These flavors won't weigh you down. They'll lift you up, energizing your taste buds and giving you a greater sense of satisfaction without the need for excess salt. So, next time you're in the kitchen, remember this. It's not about salt, it's about layers of flavor that bring food to life. The next time you cook, ditch the salt shaker and reach for these fresh, bold ingredients. Your taste buds and your health will thank you. Overcooking kills texture and taste. And let's be honest, who wants to eat flavorless mush? We've all been there, a well-intentioned recipe that turns into a soggy, lifeless meal. It's not just disappointing, it's downright unappetizing, whether it's vegetables, meat, or even grains. When you cook food for too long, you lose more than just texture. You're also losing those fresh, vibrant flavors and essential nutrients that make the food worth eating in the first place. We often think that cooking something until it's completely soft is the best way to ensure it's done right. But in reality, that's one of the easiest ways to turn a delicious ingredient into something bland, mushy, and nutrient-deprived. The longer you cook something, the more you break it down. Nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are heat-sensitive, and the longer you expose them to heat, the more they degrade. So when you cook vegetables until they're soft and mushy, you're not only compromising their taste and texture, but also reducing their nutritional value. But it's not just the nutrients that suffer. Cooking food for too long can also strip it of its natural flavors. Take a simple carrot. When it's cooked just right, it's sweet and crisp, with a slight earthiness that makes it a treat. But overcook it, and you lose that flavor entirely. Instead of vibrant, fresh notes, you end up with something that barely resembles its original taste. Here's the game-changer quick cooking methods. Try techniques like roasting, sautéing, or steaming. They allow the food to cook just enough to bring out its natural flavors and keep it vibrant and delicious. For example, roasting vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes brings out their natural sweetness and creates a caramelized, slightly crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender and flavorful. Roasting at high heat, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for a short time is the perfect way to preserve both texture and taste. Another technique is sautéing, which is perfect for leafy greens, mushrooms, or even tofu. It involves cooking food quickly over medium-high heat with a little oil, allowing it to sear and retain both flavor and nutrients. The key here is to stay on top of the cooking time. Don't let your veggies or protein sit in the pan too long. Lastly, steaming is an excellent way to preserve the nutrients and color of vegetables while keeping them crisp and fresh. It's especially effective for delicate foods like broccoli, spinach, or asparagus. Steaming ensures that the food stays vibrant, full of flavor and full of nutrients without losing anything to overcooking. Think of it like brewing coffee. If you brew coffee for too long, it turns bitter and over-extracted. Similarly, when you cook food for too long, it turns bitter and loses its essence. Food works the same way. A perfect cup of coffee needs just the right amount of time to extract the flavors. The same goes for cooking your meals. If you take the time to cook it just enough, the flavors shine and the texture remains delightful. But overbrew it, overcook it, and you've lost the magic. So, next time you're in the kitchen, remember, don't let your food get mushy. Opt for faster cooking techniques like roasting, sautéing, or steaming, and you'll unlock vibrant flavors and preserve the nutritional benefits. Keep the texture crisp, the flavors fresh, and the meal exciting. Because nobody deserves to eat bland, mushy food, especially as they age. Fat isn't the enemy. It's the secret to making food satisfying. For years, we've been told to steer clear of fat, especially as we age. But here's the thing, not all fats are created equal. The right kinds of fat, healthy fats, are the key to making your meals rich, flavorful, and satisfying. So if you've been cutting back on fat in an effort to stay healthy, you might be missing out on a vital ingredient that brings both taste and nourishment to your food. Healthy fats do more than just make your food taste better. They help your body in ways that no other nutrient can. But let's get clear. We're not talking about the unhealthy fats found in processed foods or fried snacks. We're talking about good fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts. Fats that support brain health, heart health, and overall well-being. Healthy fats are incredibly important, especially as we age. They help us absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are essential for maintaining good health. But perhaps the most powerful benefit of healthy fats is how they make food taste. They carry flavor in a way that nothing else can. When you cook with olive oil, mash avocado into spreads, or add nuts to your salads, you're enhancing the overall taste and texture of your meal. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to eat healthier is cutting out these fats completely. They forget that healthy fats are what make meals feel rich and satisfying. Without them, meals can taste dry, bland, or flat. Healthy fats also slow digestion, which helps you feel full longer, making them a great ally for anyone looking to maintain a balanced weight. Beyond just taste, healthy fats also have significant benefits for your brain health. As we get older, maintaining cognitive function is crucial. Studies show that diets rich in unsaturated fats, like those found in olive oil and avocados, can help protect the brain against age-related cognitive decline. So when you're incorporating these fats into your meals, you're not just adding flavor, you're supporting your long-term health. Let's put this into practice. Start by drizzling roasted vegetables with a generous amount of olive oil. This will not only boost the flavor, but will also give the veggies a beautiful, rich texture. The olive oil enhances the natural sweetness of the vegetables and adds a smooth, silky finish that can elevate even the simplest dishes. If you love spreads or dips, mash avocado into your next batch of guacamole or use it as a base for creamy dressings. The richness of avocado will add depth and smoothness to your dish, while its healthy fats give you that satisfying feeling without the guilt. You can also use it as a topping for toast or in smoothies for a silky texture and added nutrition. And don't forget nuts. Adding almonds, walnuts or pistachios to your salads, yogurt or even roasted vegetables brings not only crunch but also a depth of flavor that transforms your meal. The healthy fats in nuts also support heart health and are rich in antioxidants, making them a perfect addition to any meal. Think of it like a good moisturizer. When you apply moisturizer to your skin, it keeps things hydrated and smooth, right? Without it, your skin becomes dry, flaky and uncomfortable. The same goes for your meals. Without healthy fats, things can taste dry, flat and unappealing. But when you add that rich, smooth layer of fat, whether it's from olive oil, avocado or nuts, your food becomes indulgent and satisfying in the best possible way. Healthy fats are essential for satisfying, flavorful meals that not only taste good, but make you feel good too. So next time you're preparing a meal, don't shy away from adding that drizzle of olive oil or tossing a handful of nuts into your salad. These fats will boost the richness of your food, enhance the flavors, and give you lasting energy and enjoyment from every bite. Many people think spices are just for heat, but they're actually the shortcut to deep, rich flavors. When we think of spices, we often picture hot peppers or chili flakes, but the truth is spices can do so much more than just add heat. They have the power to transform an average meal into something extraordinary by adding layers of flavor that make every bite exciting. But there's one particular type of flavor that most people overlook, and it's the key to making food truly satisfying: umami. Umami is often described as the fifth taste, alongside sweet, salty, sour and bitter. It's the savory depth you get from foods like aged cheese, soy sauce and tomatoes. If you've ever eaten at a high-end restaurant and been blown away by the deep, rich flavors of a dish, chances are that umami was a big part of what made it so satisfying. And guess what? You can bring that same depth of flavor to your meals at home without complicated techniques or ingredients. So, what exactly is umami and why does it matter? Umami is a taste that adds savory richness to food, making it feel more fulfilling and flavorful. It's not just about adding heat, it's about finding that balance of flavors that make your meal feel complete and satisfying. You've likely experienced umami in restaurant dishes. Think about a bowl of savory pasta with a rich tomato sauce, a perfectly seared steak with a mushroom glaze, or a warm bowl of miso soup. What do they all have in common? A deep, satisfying richness that hits all the right notes. That's umami at work. It's a flavor profile that makes food feel full, balanced, and even more delicious than just the sum of its parts. Now here's the good news. You don't have to go out and buy exotic ingredients to tap into the magic of umami. There are simple, accessible ways to boost this savory flavor in your own kitchen using everyday ingredients. Start by adding a splash of balsamic vinegar to your roasted vegetables or sauces. The vinegar's natural sweetness, combined with its tangy acidity, brings out an incredible depth of flavor in foods like tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers. Just a drizzle can take a dish from flat to full-bodied. Next, consider Parmesan cheese. A little sprinkle of aged Parmesan can instantly elevate any dish from pasta to soups to roasted veggies. It's one of the richest sources of umami. And because it's so concentrated, a little goes a long way. For an even more intense umami boost, smoked salt is a game changer. This adds a layer of smokiness that enhances the savory richness of foods like roasted meats, soups, or even salads. Just a pinch of smoked salt can create that feeling of depth and satisfaction that many dishes lack. Another great way to unlock umami is by incorporating mushrooms. Whether you're sautéing fresh mushrooms or using dried mushrooms to make a stock, they bring an earthy, savory richness that's hard to beat. If you're making soups, stews, or even veggie burgers, mushrooms are an easy way to add that restaurant-quality depth of flavor. Finally, don't overlook tomatoes. They're rich in umami, especially when you use sun-dried tomatoes or tomato paste. Just a spoonful of tomato paste can elevate the taste of sauces, stews, and even dips. Think of it like adding a bass line to a song. It makes everything feel fuller. When you listen to music, the bass gives the song depth, rhythm, and richness. Without it, the song might sound flat or incomplete. The same is true for your meals. When you add umami-rich ingredients, it's like adding that bass line to your food. It transforms the dish from a simple melody to a full-bodied symphony, making every bite feel satisfying and layered. Just like a bass line gives structure to music, umami adds depth and fullness to your meals. It's that subtle, savory flavor that brings everything together and makes food feel more balanced and enjoyable. Food should bring joy, not frustration. The way you eat doesn't have to be about giving up flavor or sacrificing satisfaction. These small, simple changes can take your meals from bland to exciting and help you enjoy your food again without the guilt. The best part? They also help you stay healthy and strong, supporting your body as you age. Imagine every meal leaving you not only nourished, but truly satisfied. Now I challenge you to try just one of these flavor-boosting tricks in your next meal. Whether it's adding a splash of balsamic vinegar, tossing in some nuts, or using a sprinkle of Parmesan, just give it a shot. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. And if you've got a favorite flavor hack that makes your meals come alive, don't keep it to yourself. Share it in the comments. We're all in this together, learning new ways to enjoy our meals and keep aging well. If this video gave you some new insights, hit that subscribe button and join us for more tips on how to age with confidence and joy. Because aging well isn't just about living longer, it's about enjoying every single bite along the way. Let's keep exploring, learning, and enjoying the process together. See you in the next video.